Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So today is actually our first day of playing the roadside. And honestly, ang aga-aga namin nagising. Parang hindi pa ready ang katawan ko pero kailangan nating bumagon because we have somewhere to go and something important to do. Sobrang aga pa pero look at this view. Ang ganda ng morning, tahimik, fresh yung hangin and the surrounding looks so peaceful. Kaya hindi medyo inaantok ako pero na-enjoy ko rin yung early morning walk namin. So ayan, napunta kami dito sa roadside kung saan kami maglinis today. First day First day ko, kaya medyo excited din ako to see how everything will go. And syempre, habang naglakad hindi mawala ang kwentuhan. Early in the morning talaga is different. Wala pang masyadong tao, hindi pa masyado busy ang paligid, and you can really appreciate the view. Pero wait, work mode muna tayo. Hindi tayo pupunta dito para mag-picture lang. And here we are. Finally, nandito na kami. At malapit ako ka dyan, guys. Time to start our cleaning duty. Simple lang naman ang gagawin namin pagwalis-kulik ng mga dahon at linisin ang paligid. Hindi man siya glamorous na trabaho pero importanteng malinis at maayos ang lugar. At alam niyo kapag sama-sama kayong magtrabaho, mas magiging enjoyable talaga. May kwentong-kwentuhan, konting tawanan, pero syempre trabaho pa rin. Actually, almost 1 hour din kaming maglinis today, pero hindi naman kayang i-video ng buong 1 hour na puro walis lang ang makikita niyo, 'di ba? So I only took a few clips para may remembrance tayo sa ating first day. Kahit simple lang ang ginagawa namin, natatawa pa rin kapag nakikita mong unti-unting nalilinis yung paligid. And one sweep at a time, one little effort at a time, and finally, matatapos din natin. And finally, we're done. And almost 1 hour and cleaning, natapos din ang first day ko. Medyo pagod pero happy because we are able to finish what we needed to do. And before we leave, syempre attendance muna tayo present and accounted for. Okay, attendance done. Ready na sana kaming umuwi pero guys, hindi pala tayo uuwi ulit. And instead na sumakay agad, maglakad muna kami pumunta sa eskina. Actually, sakto rin kasi gusto ko rin mag-video habang naglalakad. And look at this guys, ang peaceful talaga ng paligid. After almost 1 hour of cleaning, relaxing din kahit konting walking lang. Pero simpleng morning routine lang, work, walk, then go home. Pero may mission pa pala kami. And guess what? May bibilhin pa kami sa eskina, guys. Yung sopas, alam nyo ba? Yes, bread lang yan. After all the cleaning, kailangan namin nating may something to eat. To quick stop muna tayo para bumili ng tinapay. Simply things but something. Sometimes these are the little moments that make an ordinary day memorable. Okay, papunta na kami doon guys sa eskina. At yan guys, makakabili din kami ng ano dyan. Sopas! Okay, guys, nandyan na kami dyan sa eskina guys. Ayan, yung aking kapatid, nagdadala na siya ng sopas ng bread guys. Okay guys, nakabili na kami. So this is time to uwi na talaga. And that's basically how our first day of roadside cleaning went. We woke up early, walked to the roadside, cleaning almost 1 hour, check our attendance, walked to the corner, brought some bread, and now we're heading home. Simple lang ang araw namin, pero productive. Sometimes, you don't need a big adventures to have a good day. Kahit in simpleng trabaho, simpleng lakad, at simpleng moments lang. Okay na, thank you so much for watching and spending this little morning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more simple, everyday moments. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye everyone. Stay safe and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!